Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So you see on your iPhone no SIM card installed, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to take off your SIM card and just put it inside again. So this is the first way you can try, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your airplane mode. So just try to turn it on, wait a second and just turn off. So if you still have this error, so just scroll down, just tap on general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go back, just find here general. In the general you need to open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.